And this is going to be subject to interpretation, but I think that starting out with real live money when you're deciding to do the most insane of things, that you're going to trade or you're going to self direct, if you can't paper trade, you're not going to be able to do successfully with money. I just don't think it's going to happen. Now, a lot of people are going to say you're going to become a little bit more reckless, and that's absolutely it. But if you can't get it together on paper, I don't think you're going to get it together live, because something happens to your brain when you use your money. And I think you just need to figure out if you're an impulsive person or not. And if you're like me, I laugh that I'm a degenerate because I've done some pretty incredibly stupid things in my life. And I find value from doing things off the cuff without a lot of experience, because sometimes you just got to go out and do it, but you're fucking around with your money and the opportunity cost of investing is really high.